How do I enter restricted stock unit sales in Jackson Hewitt? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to jacksonhewitt.com. Then on this page, you first want to log into your account. For that, click on the login option and then select My JH account. Enter all of your credentials and then click on the sign in option. Once you have been signed into your account, with your return open, search for 1099B and select the Jump to link. Have your 1099B and W-2 handy because you're going to need them for this section. When you enter your 1099B, follow the screens to enter your sale info, and then from there you will be able to enter your restricted stock unit sales. Restricted stock units or RSUs are a form of employee compensation often used by companies as a part of their stock-based compensation plans. RSU represents a promise by the employer to give employees a certain number of shares of the company's stock or the cash equivalent at the future date after meeting certain vesting conditions. If you face any difficulty while entering the restricted stock unit, you can contact the customer support of Jackson Hewitt. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.